Hello everyone, welcome to Healthcare Medical Equipments. This is my new video which is about laser therapy, which is right here, and I'm going to tell you about all the features of the machine and I will show you how to start this machine. So firstly let me tell you what is laser. So a laser is a device that produces such a light low level laser therapy is used by some physiotherapists to treat various musculoskeletal conditions. Low level laser therapy is a non-invasive light source treatment that generates a single wavelength of light. It emits no heat, sound or vibration. So this is called laser therapy. Now let me tell you about the accessories which we get with the machine. So first of all, this laser comes in a briefcase, which is this. This is a portable model, and we get two keys with the machine to start the machine: a laser probe, one goggle, one warranty card, one man cord. So this is the accessories we get with the machine. There is a 1-year replacement warranty available on the laser. Now let me tell you about the benefits of laser therapy. So laser therapy can alleviate pain, reduce inflammation and accelerate recovery from a wide range of acute and chronic clinical conditions. As rehabilitation specialists know, the main goal of treatment for many when treating painful, debilitating conditions is to facilitate improved function and mobility. So the benefits of laser therapy I have already told you. Now there's a question is how much effective this laser is. So now let me tell you about the effectiveness. So when treating acute condition with laser therapy, it is particularly effective when it is administered as soon as possible following injury, assuming there is no active hemorrhaging. The faster the inflammation is reduced and the healing process can begin, the better. So this laser is very beneficial. Now let me start this machine and give you a demo. There's a 45 programs inbuilt in the machine, and you can see this is 910 nm and 500 milliwatt. Now we have to press the start key. Now we have to start increase the timing. It will come in seconds, means 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And now we can press the start key again, and you can see the first program, which is 500 milliwatt of continuous wave. It is on continuous. Energy is 2 joule. Press start key. You can select the program from here. Now let me show you the programs. So 45 programs inbuilt in this machine. This is on pulse. Now if you increase one program to on 46, you will see you can test the laser probe here on 46 program. This is probe tester area. Now let me start this. You can see power is 500 milliwatt. selected the time again and press the start key. Now the program and then start key. Oh, now it's working. So time is over and it stopped working. You can see, you can reset from here. Now it's on 20 and I have started. This is how it's work. You can select the program, timing, energy as per your requirement. So this is very easy to use and very helpful. And you also get one user manual with the machine. So it will help you how to operate the machine. So for another inquiries, please contact on 9905 and we are manufacturer of electrotherapy equipment, so we can provide all the equipments. So that's it. Thank you.